Alright, I'm going to show you how to properly take the sound deadening off of these cars. It doesn't come off very easily. Like you can see, I tried it. I heard of people doing dry ice. I've tried that. It doesn't work as they show it. This is the most effective way I've seen. You take a little heat gun. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can get one of these. And you literally just heat it up. It doesn't take very long. You just hold it close, take one of these, and it just basically melts it right away. It takes time. Now once you get that off, you will have a little residue left over. And the easiest way to get rid of that is by taking low odor mineral spirits. No particular brand that recommended. Low odor recommended just because you're in a car. You take a little rag, kind of get it soaked in there, and just wipe it right on there. And it literally just wipes that residue right off. Probably should wear gloves during this process. I'm just doing this as an example so you can see. But it cleans that right off. And that gets you down to the bare metal. That's all there is to it. You do it to the rest of the car. Have fun.